good. Hey guys, Mr. Chris here. Gonna do a science experiment for you, and you can do this at home. You just need, I'll go through what you need here. You need a vase kind of like this, an old bottle. You need some water. This is water you can't see, but it's in our little Minion cup. You need some vegetable oil. You need some Alka-Seltzer, which is medicine, and you need some food coloring, and then you need a granola bar. I'm kidding. A granola bar is for me because I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna eat a little bit. Okay, so what you do, you take your vegetable oil, make sure you get your parents' help, you fill the vase here with vegetable oil. I don't know how much to do, we're just going to do that much. Okay, now vegetable oil is non-polar. The water is polar, which means it has, we're going to add some water in here. Water has electrical charges in it. As you can see, the water is going to sink to the bottom. Water is more dense, so the molecules in the water are packed more tight together than the oil, so they sink to the bottom. So the water is at the bottom. Put a little more in there. And the oil is at the top right there. Okay, now you're going to add, what color should we do? Blue, red, yellow, or green? Let's do a blue. My favorite color. So the food coloring is also going to sink to the bottom because it's water based and it's more dense than the oil. You can see, well, at least it should sink to the bottom. I wonder if it's going to take a minute.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, here we go. Okay. It wasn't working there for a second. I was defying the laws of density there with this magical food coloring. So I don't know how much to put in. Maybe we'll do, I'll just do a lot. There we go. Whee! That looks good. Okay, then what you're gonna do, so you've got your oil, your water, your food coloring, and then you're gonna put in, maybe we'll do a little bit more. I'm actually not sure how much. Then we're gonna put in one of these Alka-Seltzer tablets. So kids make sure you do this with your mom or dad, okay? Or older brother or sister. You got these Alka-Seltzer, because you don't wanna eat these. They're just medicine. Okay, so the Alka-Seltzer, I'm gonna put it in here. And the way the lava lamp works here is Alka-Seltzer is going to create carbon dioxide bubbles in here, which are going to float to the top, and then they're going to pop and then sink to the bottom. Okay, let's see. So you should be able to see this here. And here we go. Now our lava lamp here, you're going to see the bubbles starting to rise. Look how cool that is. Oh my goodness. Look at those bubbles coming up to the top. I'll put one more in there. Maybe it'll make the effect. There we go. Now look how cool that is. That is science right there. So the bubbles are coming to the top and then they're popping and sinking down at the bottom again. And you can hear it fizzing. I don't know if you can hear that in there, but...
That's so cool.
Okay, now hold on. We'll wait till it gets down to the bottom again. Once it stops fizzing, and then I've got another tablet we can add in there. I did get a lot of color. It seems that's... Maybe I put too much color in there. I think it looks really cool. So once the Alka-Seltz are all dissolves, then I'll put another one in there and we'll see. Maybe I'll put another color in there. See what kind of colors we get if they mix together. Okay, so now we're gonna, it's almost died down, although you can still see some of the reaction in there. So I'm actually gonna put some red food coloring in here and see what that does. That might be fun. We'll see if you can even tell the different colors in there. We'll add another Alka-Seltzer tablet. Here we go. Doink! And we'll see the reaction. You can kind of see, I can see some red in there. There we go. It's going again. Remember to get your parents' help, because you need to pour the oil in there, and then you need to pour the water in, a little bit of water, mostly oil, a little bit of water, and then your food coloring, and then you throw in a Alka-Seltzer tablet, and this is what will happen.
Can't see the red very much.
Is it going still?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, there you have it. Thanks for doing science with Mr. Chris.